Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Walking Dead Aftermath game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the Walking Dead Aftermath app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for the Walking Dead Aftermath and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Third solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also switch to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Solution 4 is to force stop the Walking Dead Aftermath app. So tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the Walking Dead Aftermath game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to clear the Walking Dead Aftermath app cache. So again, tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then go to the storage usage and then tap on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then you have to clear the data of this app. So again, tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, go to storage usage and then click on clear data. Now please take a note over here, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again, tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then go to the battery usage and check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and download and install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Norton VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Secure VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Walking Dead Aftermath game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Walking Dead Aftermath app. So again, tap and hold the Walking Dead app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for the Walking Dead Aftermath and then tap on it, and then here you will see the install button. So tap on install button to reinstall it, and once the game get reinstalled, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Walking Dead Aftermath app server status, and if you find that the server is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve the Walking Dead Aftermath game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.